Hi everyone, you are welcome to this affiliate marketing tutorial. I'm Abiola. I'm going to walk you through how to start affiliate marketing and be successful. So I will take you through the step by step. You can start from where you are right now, and at the end of this tutorial, you have your own niche, affiliate offers, and keyword. Everything you need to become successful as affiliate marketer. Before we do anything, you need to find a profitable niche. You can't just enter the market anyhow and expect to be successful. Some niches are saturated. So if you venture to that niche, you will not be successful. So in this tutorial, you help you with the right niche, the right keyword, and good affiliate offer. That's what I'm going to take you through in this tutorial. From experience of a successful affiliate, there are some niches you should not promote that will backfire on you if you venture into them. These are the information we want to share with you in this tutorial. So we also look at the websites that we use to promote the affiliate. I will recommend WordPress because it's very popular and it's widely used. So you demonstrate how you use it, how you're going to go about it. Do you see a demonstration of a website at the end of this tutorial? Apart from that, we talk about the content of post on our websites, on our blog that will be suitable for SEO ranking. The organic traffic that will bring the visitor to your site for them to make the purchase, then you can earn your commission. If you are ready for this, I'm excited to teach you. The very first step we are going to do is to find a niche that is profitable and is not saturated, because this process we are taking, many experts or affiliate marketers that are going through this process is competitive. So I recommend a site that you will use. I will call this KW Finder, Keyword Finder. You can use it. It's a free version and it's a paid version. So the name of the site is KW Finder. So when you look at shoe, you can still break it down to type of shoes. You have kids shoe, we have football shoe, we have golf shoe. So you narrow all these keywords to the narrow, because that is what they call the niche, to smaller market. The fact that you are narrowing doesn't mean people are not looking for it. People that are searching for that narrow niche worth millions. So and they check it regularly. So don't mind about narrowing. There are millions of people that are searching for it. So it's very, very important you take note of it so you will not be discouraged. This is the site we are going to use. It's called kwfinder.com. So we have the paid version, we have the free version. So we are using the free version. So you can only search 5 times in a day. So type the word climbing shoes. So set the language to English. You can leave the other location as anywhere because you can always get purchase from any part of the world. So click find keyword. See the results. So it's important to note that when you scroll down, you will see the blur portion. It means you have to purchase to see the rest. So look at the keyword monitoring. What this one is telling us is that anything higher than that one is very difficult to patronize or to use. It means it's saturated. So you must not venture into it. So you have to take note of that. So the next is to use the keyword. You have gotten the niche. The niche is climbing shoes. You will start using all these words I displayed: best, top, cheap, top. You combine with that niche and search again. So you can have best climbing shoes, top climbing shoes, cheap climbing shoes. All these keywords they have intent. So when visitor types on the search bar, what it means is that they have intention of buying. That's the point you want to make the decision. So you put it there, you combine it with the niche. So as you combine it with the niche, it's giving you results. But the focus here is that whatever result is given on the numbers, it must not be higher than the monitoring set by the keyword itself. Anything higher than that, it means it is difficult to use and you will not get expected results from it. So when you start best now, you search, it's still lesser than 53 research. So you can use best climbing shoes. Another thing again, you need to consider the search volume per month. You must have more than 500 search per month because it will help in such a way that, as you can see, when you put top climbing shoes and you click, the result will give you is far farther than what we see 53 we saw earlier. So whichever keyword you use, you combine with the niche, you will get a laser search. So the search volume, it means visitors are searching for that using that keyword to find that niche. So in a nutshell, best, which is 37, is far lesser. So you can use the word. You can also change it with cheap climbing shoes. So once you use all those keywords combined with the niche and you click on search results, you pick the one that has the least. I can see that of 36, I can see that of 37. So you can use this one in your post. You put it as title of your post because that is what they are searching in the search bar and that's what's giving them results. It will give you volume. If you look at the climbing shoes, you can search volume per month 41,000, 18,000. It means people are actually searching for it. Then you pitch your tent with that niche, you are most likely to be successful. So the blog part you are looking at are the ones that you have not paid for. You know, you are using 5, your free fashion. So you have not paid for. So you can repeat this thing under 10 minutes. If you are not okay with climbing shoe, you can try border shoe. So now that we have done the next is look for affiliate offer. And the one I recommend is Amazon because it's very popular, it's tested, and so why it's even the richest, it's even the largest. So you can start with affiliate. As soon as you are done with affiliate, Amazon affiliate, you can now move to other bigger affiliates. You just have to sign up with them. You know what? You have to have a website for them to quickly approve. If you don't have a website, they may think maybe you are not serious with this product, so they may not accept your offer, affect your application or registration. So you have to have a website. Then there is this that if you don't make a sale within 180 days, they may still decline your application. So it shows that you are interested. So I'm registered, I'm signing. So once you have registered and it has been approved, this will be done within a couple of weeks. You sign in. So it will allow you to go to their, if you sign in, please, if you have not subscribed to this video, please click the notification button and subscribe button below. So this is their site. So you type the climbing shoes. So you search for it. So it will bring the product. So you click on the product you want to promote. So click on the product. Then you go to the top bar and click get link. So you generate the link. So we have the full link, we have the short link. Most of the time we use short link. So this is the link you put in your post. So these are other affiliates you can patronize: eBay, Lead Pages, Infusion. If you just visit their website, you scroll down, most of the time also at the bottom of the website you see affiliate program. You click on it, you check their terms and conditions. If you meet it, you can go with that. But you can start with Amazon because it's trustworthy, it's popular, and it's one of the largest in the world. So that is why you can start with it. As soon as you are done with that, you move to other ones. You can do Konga, you can do Jumia, you can do all those ones. The next is to have a web host or website. I will recommend a GoDaddy because I've used it in my website and can be trusted. A GoDaddy web host has WordPress program. So WordPress is what you are going to use as your website. WordPress is what most companies, at least 30% of the companies over the world, are using WordPress. So because it's reliable and it has plugins that can improve your SEO ranking. So I recommend you use WordPress. Just go to GoDaddy, see their offer, and see the plugins you can get from WordPress. So you can log in. I've used it in my website and I have the link below for them. So you can also do affiliate with GoDaddy. And apart from GoDaddy, you can use Google hosts. You can use free hosts. We have different tools. So this is one of my posts I don't want to bother you with much. You notice the plugin that you will get, like I said in the GoDaddy, Yoast SEO. That is what we are going to plug into your website. So this is the review of the product. This is what we are going to use to form the post of the product. You can't just rely on the manufacturer information. They may not tell you the truth. So these are the people that have purchased and you can verify the purchase and you can get their experience. These are what you are going to put in your post. That's what I did. Please, you can't copy and paste. No, you can't copy and paste because you can be charged for plagiarism and it may affect your ranking. But you have to copy few of them. So you see the Yoast SEO. Once you install it on your blog, on the post, it will do the searching. It will, whether it will rank well and it will be visible to the search volume we earlier talked about. So that is it. So like I said, you have to avoid plagiarism. What you have to do is just copy one or two lines, trusted lines. Be sure you are copying the right one, then you now twist the word. So if you look at the title, best climbing shoes, I put in bracket according to Amazon. These are what will catch the business attention. So this one is recommended from Amazon. It will make them to probe further and buy the product. So you put the link of the product at least in 3 places in your web post. So once that is that, you can click post and post the product. So you can repeat this severally for different products or affiliates. But meanwhile, please, you must know what you are promoting. You can't promote junk. If you promote junk, customers may buy or visitor may buy. And if you find that the product is not okay, they may return the product and ask for a refund. And they may not visit your site again. So it will affect your personality and affect your success as a market affiliate. So far in this tutorial, we have been able to identify the niche. successful niche through the use of keyword search compared to the monitor to ensure that it's far lesser than difficult so that you can easily rank them and be successful. Apart from that again, we're able to identify the keyword that you combine with the niche. Apart from that again, we're able to get affiliate offer, which is Amazon, and we recommend other ones that you will need or that you can do. Then after that, we're able to put it on our WordPress post. We add all the links. So with the links, and we use SEO ranking, that is used I earlier described. So we put all this together, just as described in this tutorial. Then the sky is the limit to where you can go. Please, if you find this tutorial to be interesting, we'd like you to click like, then click notification button below and subscribe. We appreciate if you can put your comment as well. So it will help us, it will encourage us to what you feel about this tutorial and the video you think we should produce. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe once again so that we can share one more video with you. Thank you.